Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this JVC dual cassette deck player and recorder to show you. The model number is TD-W309. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact. Do you know what Type 4 cassettes are? They're cassettes that are made out of metal. The tape itself is actually metal instead of what other types of tapes are. But let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have your input for recording, output for playback, and then CompuLink 3 synchro input and output. To connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable to the output, and if you're doing any recording from another source, you can plug in a cable to the input and then connect your power cord. And then once you have it all connected, you can power it up and insert a cassette into each deck. So deck A will be your playback deck, and then deck B will be your play and record deck. And both of them do have auto reverse, and that means that you don't have to flip the tape when you get to the end of it so that you can listen to the other side. So on the front panel, you have your power button right here, and then auto reverse button. You can switch between side A and side B of the tape. And then you have pitch control. You can adjust the knob right there. And then you have a phones jack for listening to your cassettes with headphones rather than using speakers like these. And then over here you have your eject button, and then counter reset, rewind, fast forward, play and stop. And then you have your input level for adjusting the recording volume. And then again you have counter reset. It is kind of nice that this deck has actually a dual tape counter on both decks, so you can see where you're at in the tape. And then you have your eject button, rewind, fast forward, stop, and play. And then you have Dolby noise reduction right here. You can set it to B or C. And then you have a microphone input for recording with a microphone, and you can adjust the volume of that right there as well. And then there's auto reverse. You can switch between side A and side B. And then you have record, pause, and then you can choose which reverse mode you want to do. You can set it to continuous play, play both sides once, or play one side once. And then right here you have normal and high speed dubbing. So if you push high speed, it'll begin dubbing in high speed. And this does feature DDRP, or Dynamics Detection Recording Processor, whatever that means. Alright, well that's pretty much it for this JVC dual cassette deck. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.